Breakfast in a blender. No more pancakes and bacon. Throw this recipe in the blender and you will reap some amazing weight loss and health benefits. This smoothie will keep you full until lunchtime and packs a great combination of vitamins and nutrients with slow digesting carbohydrates. Slow digesting carbohydrates and fiber are key for weight loss, because they will keep you full for long periods of time. This is the perfect breakfast choice for someone seeking optimal health and weight loss. Recipes needed: 2/3 cup coconut milk, 2/3 cup almond, 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, half cup oatmeal or rolled oats, 1/4 cup strawberry, half frozen. How to make it: add all ingredients into a blender and whiz. Then enjoy it. Thank you for watching.